My first term was under President Nixon, when President Nixon tried to fire two IRS commissioners because they refused to audit the president's enemies. And of course, that's one of the reasons he resigned. It was one of the two counts in the draft Watergate indictment. And laws were passed back at that time, basically indicating that if someone outside the IRS in the administration presents name positions or attempted to cause the IRS to do something similar, to use information in their files to audit particular taxpayers, that again was very heavily penalized. And this concept is something that within the IRS, within the chief counsel's office, the attorney's office for the IRS, you have people that have spent their lives looking at and studying the very complex provisions in the regulations relating to Section 6103 and these other laws that I mentioned. And this came up most recently with an attempt by Homeland Security to get information from the IRS, as was mentioned earlier, about immigrants. We actually now have a court case that seems to authorize that. It's a trial court decision. I don't know whether an appeal has been filed, but it won't surprise me if an appeal is filed. There were indications that there were some in the Internal Revenue Service, in the Chief Counsel's office, that were very concerned about the interpretations that were being made in order to permit that to take place.